Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python is a versatile and widely used programming language that has gained immense popularity in the software development industry. If you're preparing for a Python interview, it's crucial to be well versed in both fundamental concepts and advanced topics. In this tutorial, we'll cover some of the best Python interview questions along with detailed answers and code examples to help you ace your interview. Python Basics. Data Structures. Object-Oriented Programming, OOP. Advanced Topics. Question: explain the difference between list and tuple in Python. Answer: in Python, both lists and tuples are used to store collections of items, but they have some key differences. Mutability: lists are mutable, meaning you can modify their elements, add, remove, or change, after the list is created. Tuples, on the other hand, are immutable, and their elements cannot be changed after creation. Syntax: lists are created using square brackets, while tuples use parentheses. Question: how does Python's garbage collection work? Answer: Python uses a garbage collector to automatically manage memory. The garbage collector identifies and deletes objects that are no longer referenced by the program. Python employs a combination of reference counting and a cyclic garbage collector. Reference counting involves keeping track of the number of references to an object. When the reference count drops to 0, meaning there are no references to the object, the memory occupied by the object is released. The cyclic garbage collector handles more complex cases where objects reference each other in a cycle, making it impossible to determine their lifetime solely based on reference counting. Question: what is the difference between range and range in Python 2? Answer: in Python 2, range and range both generate a sequence of numbers, but there's a crucial difference. Range returns a list containing the specified range of numbers. It creates the entire list in memory. Range returns an range object that represents the range. It generates values on the fly and doesn't create the entire list in memory. This can be more memory efficient for large ranges. In Python 3, range has been removed, and range behaves like range from Python 2. Question: explain the difference between a set and a frozen set in Python. Answer: both set and frozen set are used to store an unordered collection of unique elements, but they have a key difference. Sets are mutable, meaning you can add, remove, or update elements after the set is created. Frozen sets are immutable, and once they are created, you cannot modify their elements. However, frozen sets can be used as elements in other sets. Question: implement a queue in Python. Answer: a simple way to implement a queue in Python is to use the collections.dict class, which provides fast and time complexity operations for adding and removing elements from both ends. Question: explain the concept of hashing and how it is used in Python dictionaries. Answer: hashing is a process of mapping data of arbitrary size to fixed size values, usually integers, known as hash codes. Python dictionaries use hashing to provide fast access to key value pairs. Here's a simplified explanation of how it works. Question: what is inheritance in Python? Provide an example. Answer: inheritance is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming that allows a class to inherit properties and behaviors from another class. The class that is inherited from is called the base or parent class, and the class that inherits is called the derived or child class. ChatGPT